Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Fora from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for November 5th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see a fairly flat day overall, mixed close on Wall Street. The Dow was higher by just 30 points today, while the S&P 500 was lower by 3.5. The Nasdaq up a whopping 1.5 points, and the Russell 2000 higher by just 2 points. Volume was very light as well, and the range from high to low on the day was very, very tight as well. The bond market, though, third straight day of weakness here, and the yield on the 10-year note bumping up to 1.862%. Crude oil was higher by 1.3%, or about 73 cents on the day, while gold dropped sharply, down 26 points today, or 1.73%. This on news that the U.S. may lift some tariffs to bring China back to the negotiating table. But really, we didn't see anything overall in the markets to that effect. Really, no move on the equity side, though. So that's really, left up to opinion, I guess. The dollar here today advancing as well, and is now back to that 20-period moving average. Now, after market close, the earnings season continued, and the big one was Match Group today. They beat their earnings number, but they lowered their fourth quarter guidance. Market is not liking that. In the after-hours session, Match Group is down almost 11 points, or 15.5%, while their parent company, IAC Interactive Corp, is down a whopping 23.5 points, or 10.6% in the after-hours trading session. So keep an eye on those tomorrow. They should be very active. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.